Welcome back my YouTube channel TopCarsTv. 2025 GMC Savana 3500 continues its legacy as a dependable and durable full-size van, designed for businesses and individuals who require serious hauling and towing capabilities. Built with a focus on functionality, this vehicle offers a no-nonsense design and the power to handle heavy-duty workloads with ease. With a strong body-on-frame construction, the Savana 3500 remains a favorite among fleet managers, delivery services, and contractors across North America. Under the hood, the 2025 Savana 3500 offers a selection of powerful engines tailored to meet various performance needs. The base engine is a 4.3-liter V6 paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering a good balance between power and fuel economy. For those needing more muscle, GMC also provides a 6.6-liter V8 gasoline engine, delivering exceptional torque for towing and carrying heavier payloads. A diesel option, the 2.8-liter Duramax Turbo Diesel Inline-4, adds fuel efficiency and extended range to the mix, ideal for long-distance cargo transport. Inside, the Savana 3500 focuses on practicality. The cabin is built for utility, with durable materials, easily accessible controls, and ample storage space for documents and tools. Depending on the trim and configuration, seating can be arranged for up to 15 passengers or optimized for maximum cargo volume. New for 2025 is an upgraded infotainment system with a 7-inch touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering better connectivity and modern conveniences for drivers who spend long hours behind the wheel. Safety is also a key area of improvement in the 2025 model. While the Savana 3500 sticks to its utilitarian roots, GMC has integrated essential driver assistance features such as forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and rear park assist. These enhancements contribute to a safer driving experience, especially in urban delivery routes or on crowded highways. On the exterior, the 2025 Savana 3500 remains largely unchanged in appearance, maintaining the rugged and boxy design that maximizes interior space. However, subtle updates include a more modern front grille and improved headlight technology for better visibility at night. The bumper and side panels have been reinforced slightly to enhance durability during loading and unloading operations. At the back, the van features wide-opening rear doors and low-step bumpers, making cargo access easier than ever. Dual-side cargo doors are available for added flexibility, particularly useful for fleet applications. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel TopCarsTv. As for pricing, the 2025 GMC Savana 3500 starts around $45,000 for the base cargo version and can climb beyond $60,000 for fully outfitted passenger or extended wheelbase models. This makes it competitively priced against other full-size vans in its class, such as the Ford Transit and Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. GMC has announced that the 2025 Savana 3500 will officially launch in dealerships across the US and Canada in early fall 2025. Whether you're a contractor looking for a reliable workhorse or a transportation service needing a durable people mover, the Savana 3500 remains one of the most rugged and capable vans available today.